Hello everyone, today's project replacing the rear window shade on this 2002 C240. Let me show you what it does. So right here you got this curtain that you can roll up and down. It's motorized and currently it's stuck. See, it's supposed to ride on these two rods right here. It'll go up and down, but currently it's not moving, or it's not folding or racing. So what I'm gonna have to do is take out the rear seats, the backrest, and the cover here, and most likely this side panel as well. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I got the replacement part. Right here is the replacement. Got this off of eBay. It's about 100 bucks. eBay is a good place for buying cheap second-hand parts. But it's a little risky, you know. I'm hoping that it works. So, all right, that's it. Let's get started. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is removing the seat cushions, and to do that, there's a little plastic cover. Pry it off. Then there's a nut right there. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So I gotta take those out. See what size that is. Okay, that uses size 13 millimeters. This part here, just pull it out, work my way around. Looks like this is one long piece. As you can see, this side is out now. I got to go to the other side. Okay. Pull this one out. Pull it forward. There you go. Now the whole thing is loose. Okay, take the seat out. So this piece will come off too. So I get rid of all the trash there. And for the backrest to come out, we have to play around with this. Let's see, it's spring loaded, so I gotta push that lever that way. I think that should do it. Same thing here. There you go. Okay, loosen that one up with 13mm. Use a Torx bit for the next one. Okay, the rear seat backrest is loose, so you have to disconnect this cable here. Okay, I got the backrest just kind of leaning against the front seats. To take this out completely, to take the rear seat out completely, I would have to loosen that one up. I should, well, let me see if I can get to what I need to get to without having to take that big backrest out. It's a pain in the butt. So this one's really stuck in there. Wow. It's not good. There's a lot of backlight here, so I hope you can see this. So I removed this grill here. It's for the subwoofer, and over here, this is for the first aid kit. I removed the trim from under it, and then I reached my hand under there, kind of pushed the trim upward, right there. Just push it up. So in the back is clear now by reaching in there and just push it upward. But now I got right here, currently stuck, and on that corner, same thing there. So okay, so to get this piece out, I have to remove this piece, and to do that, tiny little bolts right there, using the reverse torque E8, and then you just pull it toward the front, exposing this trim here. So there it is, out completely. I mean, it's hanging there by the seat belt. Now this thing lifts up, so I gotta do the same thing to that side. Sorry for the light. Okay. Wow. Guess this one broke off. Oh well, it's an old car, so all right. So next thing is to remove the 3 nuts under there. Got to do it from the trunk. Okay, let's do a quick comparison. Here's the one I got off of eBay. There's the original. So this I'm not going to be able to use. All 3 of them pretty much broke off. So wiring on this side. Check out the trunk. Go up. Lower. Nice and smooth. Sweet. Okay, so you see it's working now. So the next thing to do is put the everything back. Got to put the that trim right there, that big piece, and then the side, left and right, and this one, and then the backrest, and the last thing is the seat cushion. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.